Future of corrugation is very wide, very, very wide. E-commerce is already take place with the Amazon, Flipkart. Definitely it will be grow.
What makes your machines different from others?
We always try to incorporate some automations, new innovations, some good ideas, which will be helps to people where the less labor required, less power required, which can help to your economy, your budget, your productivity cost. And from 1992, almost 35 years I am in this industry.
Yeah.
Experience always counts. One problem coming, we always find solutions. So that's why our machine is always better than others.
Welcome to Equipment Impact Individuals, a series where we talk to inspiring innovators who make a real impact. Today we are speaking to a company who is specialized in corrugated box making machinery, and we have Mr. Viral Doshi, the Managing Director of Super Shear Line. So sir, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Viral Doshi. I am the Managing Director of Super Shear Line. In this industry is for making corrugated box making machineries, board and box making machinery since 1992.
Okay.
We are a famous and very good quality manufacturer of the corrugated box making machinery.
Right. So what makes your machines different from others?
See, we always try to incorporate some automations, new innovations, some good ideas, which will be helps to people where the less labor required, less power required, which can help to your economy, your budget, your productivity cost. That is helps us to.
Right. So can you tell us about your product range?
See, for product range, we have a very wide product range.
Okay.
That wide product range include like the single phaser, we call a corrugated box making machine. This is a corrugation machine. Somehow the cutting machine, pasting machine. This is in-house making.
Right.
And though we have a good tie-up with the Chinese companies, and we are trying to develop more good and good machines. So that makes us very special in the market.
Right. So how have industry needs shaped your experience or machines?
And from 1992, almost 35 years I am in this industry.
Yeah.
Experience always counts. We face many, you can say, problems. We can say needs. As per needs, as per problems, as per requirement, we make changes every time.
Right.
We try to develop the machine frequently. If one problem coming, we always find solutions. So that's why our machine is always better than others.
Right. So how do you see the future of corrugation?
Future of corrugation is very wide, very, very wide. Because nowadays people are making the boxes for industrial products or some packing products, some raw items. But now the e-commerce is already take place, and
Right.
it is a very wide range. You see the Amazon, Flipkart,
Yes.
so many this kind of the e-commerce platforms are already ready,
Right.
where the people are enjoying that business. Definitely it will be grow. So corrugation industries have a very wide future.
Which factors inspires you to do more such innovations?
For do more innovations, there is many factors actually. First of all, we have a very good staff
Yeah.
with me. Some people are working with me from 90s.
Oh.
I started my factory in 1992. From the day when the person is working till now, till date, he is with me here and he is working with me.
Oh, that's
And
commendable.
that is also a very good experienced person. That also helps. And then later on, when we tie up 15 years ago, one Chinese company, that Chinese company is also really, that's a TM Pack cartoon machinery. They are also very eager to develop such a good things for the people, for the industries. So that makes me very interesting. Okay, do some innovations. They help me like that. So we are doing every time something different.
Right. Last but not the least, an advice for our equipment audience.
See, for this industry, I can give some ideas for this audience. Must be go with these industries. This is the industries where minimum budget, minimum labor, you can develop your market very widely. Now the future is very good.
Right.
So people, if have even a small money, they can start up a small business. Then it will go into the billions of transactions.
Okay. Thank you so much for that advice. So now let's move our gaze to a quick rapid fire round.
Okay.
So according to you, automation or manual, what is the future?
Definitely, this is not the question. Automation is the future.
Okay.
Definitely.
Speed or precision, आप क्या choose करेंगे?
Speed and precision both.
Okay.
Definitely. If speed is there, precision is not there, product no value.
One thing you would like to change in this industry?
See, from last many years we are doing this business and changing in industries, like more and more people should take place in these industries. This is the very simple industries and very wide and worldwide required industries.
Okay.
Not only India, but even in the world. I do the business more than 17 countries or 18 countries. Then I am see the many people are in these industries. Innovation and some development with the machinery must be doing it.
Okay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your time. It was great having a word with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To all our listeners, do follow Ecumen for more such innovative updates. Until then, stay tuned, stay driven, and keep innovating.